Welcome back to the channel. Now I'm showing a clip and people are saying this clip says it all. Minister Morgan avoiding questions that polls have shown that if a general election was called, the administration in power would be voted out. Are the Jamaican people fed up with the Prime Minister and his administration? And after we discuss this, we're going to discuss the clip with Ryan King speaking with the soldier who was allegedly there when he was shot in Westmoreland. First, I'm going to say what happened with Minister Morgan and they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
Minister, how is the government planning on responding to the recent Dan Anderson poll, which showed that most Jamaicans would vote them out of government, out of office rather, if an election were to be called now? And
I'll answer the first one. The first thing I wish to say and the last thing I wish to say is that that wasn't discussed at Cabinet, so I have no comment on that. Could you go on to your next question, please?
Or do you accept any responsibility as Information Minister in what some described as the failure of the government to adequately communicate its achievements?
I don't understand your question.
Well, you...
The Information Minister's duty is to transfer information from Cabinet to the country, which I do here every Wednesday and which you're a part. Additionally, to manage agencies such as Jamaica Information Service from an oversight policy perspective, PBCJ, Jamaica Information Service, and so on. The assessment of my performance or lack thereof is determined by the Prime Minister's actions and decisions. So I can't comment on my own performance. I have to wait on the Prime Minister, the Cabinet, and the public to comment on that.
Now, the state recently pointed out a poll too, saying that the Prime Minister was leading the opposition leader in the polls. But I guess those same polls are saying, as a party, the opposition is leading the administration. Now, clearly, Morgan never want to talk about that. And one of the reasons could be that after the recent executive meeting, it was said that he was no longer the person from the party who had the job of discussing things like that, especially with the public. Now, some people also say it's because this is the obvious truth. And anything them did say pertaining to that would prove the point. Remember, if the same polls are true that the Prime Minister is leading the opposition leader, and next poll was conducted with the same individuals, clearly must be the same individuals. It is now saying that as a party though, people would rather see the opposition in power than the administration that is currently in power. Is that because of, here, people like Philip Powell, I say, that Mr. Holness, no Speaker for Parliament, should apologize? Or is it because the administration has simply been unable to fulfill the promises made to the Jamaican people? The transparent governance, the people must say them not see it. They must say, recently them here say $81 million was being paid to certain individuals. Where was the transparency? Before being elected, the Prime Minister was iconically photographed with a placard saying, pay parliamentarians minimum wage. Only for years, say, parliamentarians was given a 100% increase. Did the administration feel like people just go look upon them thing and just not take it into consideration? While the charisma of the Prime Minister is seen upon the people, and the same polls where I said this has shown that some people have to believe that the other ministers in the cabinet now put in the work. But tell me what you think. If a general election was called, keep in mind, local government elections were called recently. Took a couple of days before the people were finally told what exactly took place, with people still having mixed views. But the administration did win. Now opposed to say the opposition would win a general election. As if local government elections were the people saying let's give the administration a chance to see what they're going to do. And now, even though what are the local government elections, it's like the people must say no. If them give the opportunity again now to choose leadership, they must then not choose the opposition. Tell me what you think. Talk to me in the comment section. Of course, the comment section open. It open 24/7, never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions in the comment section. We can continue reasoning from the comment section. Now, on to other stories, we are make headlines. Ryan King speaking with a soldier who says he was there when Ryan King was shot and wounded, and also at the hospital where he was treated. But some of the things them where the soldier say, or the alleged soldier say, Ryan King I say, him not believe. I couldn't say what I go on and they will contain the reason. Look and listen.
No man never want to do that, bro. Yeah. Listen, man. Bro, just believe me, man. Watch out now. Watch out now. King, listen to me now. Me have one. Watch out now, bro. Watch out now. More while people get misconfused or misconcept. You see me? You see me show you this, dog. You see me now? I'm show you what happened to me. Unfortunate situation happened to me. You see what I say? No, me just there. Watch out now. Me just there at the wrong place at the wrong time. No, me know what going on. I know exactly what going on. And by the end of the day, it wasn't supposed to happen to me, but God know the reason why. He make me survive and he make it happen. You see me? I have to show a whole heap of people a lot of things, you see me? I have to show people a lot of ways. I have to empower people. And that's what I'm there, so. You see, exactly. You know, more you talk your point, you're not really reach to your point, you know. Get your point across, bad boy. You see, exactly the same thing where you say, where God say make you survive and you're there, so for sure your point. Yeah. May I show you say the same day when we there at the hospital, bro, the same night. When we there at the hospital, bro, 4 we there at the hospital again. Yeah, what police? Soldier, bro. Yeah, soldier. Alright, listen what I say. Listen to me, man. What I go rephrase what you say. You know, say, all of my friend them get locked up. My friend them say, all of people them think say, they come Alright, listen to me. My friend them, they make it look like say, and my friend them come for do me thing, but guess what? You don't know me a big artist, so when you all of my friend them how much people come down, they're not gonna know them. You see me? Them go just lock them up. So they lock up all of my friend them. No, listen to me now. May I show you the difference, bro. Me know the police rep, me lock up people. Yeah. You see me? When you get airlift from Sav Hospital coming at town, I want an hour chopper them come airlift you. You see me? So me know. Glory be to God. Watch out now. Glory be to God. Can you tell me something right now where I see something? Like my people them that tell me. I must say I'm not aware. I must say you're talking to somebody where they in our state where more aware, you see me? That's why I tell you what go on, me bro. Bro. Yeah, because I first would never fly in a helicopter then. Listen, you see before everything go down? Yeah. When you jump in as an artist, bro, you're one of my biggest motivator. Believe. Yeah. So yo. But me I tell you, say me dip on the ground when everything go on from start to finish. And me can tell you. You hear what you say a while ago. You're dip on the ground when everything go on from start to finish and you're a soldier. Right? You're a soldier, right? Yeah, bro. So, bro, G, where soldier them help did they? Bro, but me I show watch you know? When yo, hear me I say for me. I want what you know, we'll keep meditation. We'll keep meditation good and alive, you see me? We'll keep meditation irie.
No, don't look like Ryan King believe what a person I tell him. And maybe that a years now since it happened. Him being the person it happened to. I'm sure him probably did seek answers. He'd want to know why it happened. You know what I mean? And information like that. Things of that nature. And maybe him know what happened now. Just choosing not to share the details with the public. But maybe him know. And that's why I must say, you know, certain things he might not believe. Just after hearing somebody who him no know. I'm not know nobody will know. Telling him this. And to all the interaction sound, that sound like the first time he might interact with this individual. That person never have no other way to contact him. Maybe other than an Instagram page, how would you contact an entertainer if you don't know them? Of course, being in the industry, we know different ways, but for the regular person, they wouldn't know for contact an entertainer. But tell me what you think. Of course, Ryan King, definitely one of the mobile dancehall artists where people that say, as an artist, so that, be one of the leaders of the new school of dancehall artists we would have followed out from that time. And now, for different reasons, Ryan King reside overseas, along with many other artists from a dancehall genre. It also a showcase something we are going with crime and violence on the Jamaican island, and also the music. While entertainers get popular from certain type of music, especially violent dancehall music, kind of makes them as a target or put a target on them. People either want to test to see if they are really like the things them sing about, if they are really about that life. And most artists who do hardcore dancehall music align themselves with certain people and places. And that is another situation within itself. And a rocket science why big entertainers like a Protege, even a Chronix, a Grammy Award winning Coffee, can travel with a smaller group of people, while hardcore dancehall artists have to travel with a bigger entourage. And somebody said, no, but those are the reggae stars have private security, plainclothes officers we are travel with them. Dancehall artists have the same star people in them entourage. I will not go say every dancehall artist neither. Having security around you, a standard procedure, the norm that now for entertainers and celebrities. That's just what go on in this day and age. But the type of scenarios and places where hardcore dancehall artists will be in are in close proximity of, different from where other entertainers might find themselves in. I mean, I said that for say this. The reason why I feel like people still love dancehall music from the 90s and early 2000s as opposed to the dancehall music we are going now. But I say one, people not get for hear it over time. Some people that say it's not as creative as previous music. That's debatable. But the fact is that song we make in a 2024 cannot be considered as a classic, as it is still 2024. And this is a worldwide hit. Means it's a hit song in all countries across the globe, but we can say it's an instant classic. But apart from that, music of the 90s and earlier 2000s give both sides of the coin. Bounty Killer was an artist where I sing hardcore dancehall music, but he was also a gear what take place in the other side of the hardcore dancehall music. So it's not just about run the place. Want to go on the place. You know what life is like for the individuals who decide to say they want to run the place. We're not still on the music now. Little to no diversity, whether lyrical content or even subject matter. One artist sings a song about a subject, he might sing about dialing and him get a hit, and everybody I try to sing about the same thing. I try to get that hit there. And dancehall music has always been a type of music where multiple artists feature upon the same rhythm. So when you have multiple artists feature upon the same rhythm and sing about the same thing, you see how dancehall music can quite quickly get repetitive. And that's why now fans of dancehall music are also fans of every other genre of music. So hopefully going forward, artists and entertainers we are forwarding, put out some better type of music. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for live, love and prosper. Stay tuned until the reason again.